The first topic which we are covering in class 12 physics is electrostatics. So what is the topic, our students? Electrostatics. So first question is that, sir, what is the meaning of the word electrostatics? So well, my dear student, electrostatic is made up of two words, electro plus statics. Electro means, sir, electro means charge and statics means rest. So what is the meaning of the whole word electrostatics? So electrostatics is made up of two words, charge at rest. Means in this branch of physics, we will study about the properties of charges at rest. So in first chapter of class 12 physics, electric charges and fields, this chapter belongs to electrostatics, that is branch of physics. And what is the meaning of the word electrostatics? Electrostatics is made up of two words, electro means charge and statics means rest. Means in this chapter, we will study about the properties of charges at rest. Clear, students? So our first topic is charge. Okay. So what do you understand by students? Charge. So what is the charge? So sir, charge is the property due to which any body or substance behave as a electric behavior and magnetic behavior. Means charge is a property due to which any substance shows both type of behavior, electric behavior and magnetic behavior. In other words, we can say that charge is the energy due to which any body or object get the property of attracting lighter objects. Means वो प्रॉपर्टी जिसकी वजह से किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट में अपने से लाइट ऑब्जेक्ट को अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करने की एनर्जी आ जाती है, ऊर्जा आ जाती है, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? चार्ज बोलते हैं, यानी कि आवेश बोलते हैं। समझ गए बच्चों? तो चार्जेस हमारे डिफरेंट टाइप के होते हैं। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल सोर्स चार्ज। तो व्हाट इज सोर्स चार्ज? द चार्ज विच प्रोड्यूस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज कॉल्ड सोर्स चार्ज। तो इस चैप्टर में बच्चों जो चार्ज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस करता है उस चार्ज को हम क्या बोलते हैं? सोर्स चार्ज। Second charge is test charge. So sir, what is test charge? The charge which produce the electric field is called source charge, and the charge which experience the effect of electric field, that charge is called test charge. Okay students, in this chapter we will basically study about the two types of charges, source charge and test charge.